And special thanks to our friends over at Dream Pairs who were nice enough to send us these women size 8 white tennis shoes. These things, in my opinion, look a lot like, look at that, Dream Pairs. Love their little bag. I mean, what do you think? They make me think of Air Force Ones. Now, they are thicker here, so it'll make you a little bit taller, which isn't a bad thing. But nice shoelaces, nice bottom, grippy feet, and of course, this cardboard and fit for the box. The second shoe as well, all white, no logos anywhere. The only spot is technically there where it says Dream Pairs, but you could wear these and people would think they were Air Forces, in my opinion, all day. So I'm gonna have my wife try these on and show you what they look like right here. All right, so these are the Dream Pairs platform sneakers. You can see here they have this really big, I mean about 2-inch or so platform, but no logos anywhere. They look a whole lot like Air Force Ones in my opinion. Very nice platform sneakers. What do you think, babe?
Oh my god, my favorite pair.
Your favorite pair? I like to hear that. Well, thanks again to Dream Pairs for sending these to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.